Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something we all face, whether we're beginners or seasoned learners, English speaking practice. Now, let's be honest, speaking a new language can be nerve-wracking. That pesky fear of judgment can freeze our tongues faster than a popsicle in Antarctica. But fear not, because I'm here to share some fun and effective tips to get you practicing with confidence. Tip 1. Embrace the everyday. You don't need fancy textbooks or expensive tutors to practice. Your daily life is a treasure trove of opportunities. Narrate your day. Talk to yourself while doing chores, cooking, or walking. Describe what you're doing, what you see, and how you feel. Bonus points for using new vocabulary. Phone a friend, set up a regular English chat with a friend, online or in person. Discuss anything from the latest movie to your dream vacation. Join the chorus, sing along to your favorite English songs. Pay attention to the rhythm and pronunciation. Soon, you'll be belting out those lyrics like a rock star. Tip 2. Turn technology into your tutor. The internet is bursting with resources for English practice. Make the most of it. Find your tribe. Join online communities where you can chat with other language learners. Share experiences, encourage each other, and have fun. Language apps are your allies. Utilize apps with interactive exercises, games, and even AI conversation partners. They're like miniature English teachers in your pocket. Watch the world. Hear the word, immerse yourself in English media. Stream movies and TV shows in English. Listen to podcasts and audiobooks, and follow interesting YouTube channels. Tip 3. Make it a play date, not a pressure test. Speaking shouldn't feel like a chore. Inject some fun into your practice. Role-play real-life scenarios, play shop, order food at a restaurant, or pretend to be a travel agent. Acting it out makes learning engaging and memorable. Storytelling time, create your own story or retell a classic using simple English. Bonus points for adding funny voices and sound effects. Games galore, turn learning into a game. Play vocabulary, bingo, charades, or even create your own English board game. The possibilities are endless. Remember, every mistake is a stepping stone. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Embrace them as learning opportunities and keep practicing. Confidence is key. Believe in yourself and your ability to speak English. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Celebrate your progress. Track your improvement, no matter how small. Every successful conversation, every new word learned is a victory to be celebrated. So there you have it, folks. These are just a few tips to get you started on your English speaking journey. Remember, the key is to have fun, be consistent, and don't be afraid to unleash your voice. Leave a comment below with your favorite English-speaking practice tips, and let's keep this conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.